Hey there, Luke Kalinsky from SNowIT speaking. I'm thrilled to welcome you back to our channel. Today we are diving into some game-changing solutions that are designed to elevate your ServiceNow experience to new heights. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting started, you are in for a treat. But before we jump into the details, if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. That way you will never miss out on the latest insights and innovative solutions we share here at SNowIT. Now, let's get down to business.
In this video, I'll present you the order guide. So let's start from the backend. So I'll explain you how it can be set up. So by typing order guide, you can go to one of those web pages and then try to create a new one. So as you can see, we are assigning a catalog category, right? And also this most important in our case, we are using cascade variables. So it means that from order guide, we will cascade the variables that we have placed there to the lower items that will be set up for the next pages. Then, as you can see, we have two variables. We'll be using expert and create a problem, and also variable set, which were previously used. Keep in mind that when you are using variable set in here, right? Let me open it to explain it in more specific way. As you can see, it's included in this order guide and also in this particular item. As you will see, this order guide will contain this item. So it means that in both cases we'll have the same ID of the field, right? So in both cases it will be requested for. So then we have consistency. So then when we have this cascade variables option, once we choose it for order guide, then it will be populated also in the catalog item. So let's go back. And also we have two other things like expert and create a problem. So expert has the same name as the expert in the catalog item, so it will be populated down. Create a problem will be just a checkbox for some conditions, right? So in rule basis, you are specifying what item you would like to assign to the order and also what is the position. So it means what is the order. And then when you open it, you can specify the conditions, right? So as in this case, request for an expert will be loaded always. But if we see the next item, the problem will be assigned only when create a problem variable is equal to true. Also, you have some other tabs, so you can specify some other conditions, other scripts that will fulfill your needs. So let's see how it looks on the front end perspective. So from here we have to navigate to our category and we have our SNowIT order guide. So once you open it, you will see that it looks different than catalog item, record producers, and also content item. And the idea of the page is SCCAT item guide, right? So you have this, let's say, steps. So in the first step, we are choosing the variables and we are fulfilling the variables that we have set up in our order guide. So as you remember, we had requested for expert and create a problem. So let me choose any of the users and we pick up to create a problem. So now when we go to the next page, as you can see, we are displayed with the request for an expert and also request to create a problem. If we open it, you can see requested for is already populated and also expert is already populated, right? So this is the way how we are cascading the variables. If we go to our create a problem, we were not setting any variable that will be matching the ID of these fields. So let me fulfill the form and I will show you how the summary looks like. So once you fulfill the information in these items, you'll be redirected to this summary page and you just have to check it out. So once you click submit, then the request will be created and then you can see that you have an expert request because in other case we created the problem. So how it looks from the backend perspective, this is how our request looks like. As you know, we have one request, right? So that's why we have only one rhythm. And in second way, we created a problem. So the problem belongs to other table, right? So that's why it's not displayed in here. If you have several rhythms, then they will be displayed in here, and all of them have their own individual flows, so they are running independent, let's say. So to summarize, all the guide can be used for onboarding user when you have several items like, I don't know, your integration AD, AAD, with some exchange, and so on and so forth, right? So you are doing several actions, and then you can use this older guide to organize your work.
I appreciate you spending your time with us today. If you enjoyed the content, make sure to subscribe and explore our website at snowit.co. Your support keeps us going. Exciting things are on the horizon, so stay tuned. See you in the next video.